Alright, welcome back to Texas 2A video. Last time you saw this firearm in action with the new little fun switch, Fostech Echo Sport. You saw me destroy one of the extractors, and that was a KK extractor, not the PSA, even though they are identical, whatever. I went off and bought Young Manufacturing. That's a nice, thicker, heftier bolt. You want to see what that looks like next to the regular, I guess you call it KS47, but AR47 style bolt, you can. I did start my Instagram, Texas 2A video, same thing on Instagram. So if you want to look at pictures and stuff that I'm shooting out here, you can go out there and check that out. But let's run 40 rounds normal fire and see how it likes to eat, and then we'll do 3 mag dumps to see if I can't melt the damn gas tube out of this thing. Empty. So far the bolt works great. I did modify it so that it could do its job and rock and avoid these AK-47 style magazines, because it did not have that feature like your KS47 stuff did. So let me see, I'm going to go ahead and have the fire and then switch over. There we go. Ow, we're going to run the shit out of these. She's still alive. Oh no, got my mag on the ground. Alright, what did I do? Did I break it? Let's see. Alright, so if I can mortar this thing on the ground. Alright. Good. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see what kind of issue we got going on here. Alright, well, let's go ahead and pop it apart and see what's going on. It was sticking a little bit on me when I put this in here, so I don't know if it's a compatibility issue or it's because I left paper on the new H2 buffer. That might be self-inflicted there. Alright, let's see. Everything's looking great. She's still got plenty of lube on her, but I had a designated piece on there that marked this buffer as H2, and that might have made its way in there causing some headaches. So now that I got that out of there, let's try it again. Might have been an oopsie on me. Right. But the bolt has not broken yet, and she is warm. Here we go. Let's see here. Alright, now we got a Bakelite mag full of sand. Let's see if that one will work. Here's one of my scope covers. With sand, it still eats, so that's pretty good. Empty. Okay, so if you put a buffer in here and you have a tag on it that tells you H1, H2, or H3, take that tag off. I didn't. She is warm as hell, boys and girls, and I can't hold the damn thing anymore like that. So let's see if I can open it up and we'll take a look at that bolt. It's going to be as hot as the rest of it. Whew, goodness. Forgot to just run the snot out of it because I can. So far I can't complain. Ooh, she's so spicy. I'm seriously having trouble hanging on to this thing. Oh, let's see. Okay. She is warm. Let's just see the damn. Yeah, that as warm as it's going to get. Alright, there we go. Generating some heat. Melt some magazines. But, so far, she's looking fantastic. The bolt, I can actually hold the bolt for a second, unlike the barrel. But, like I said, she's a little dirty, but she's doing her job. It's comes coated from Young Manufacturing. That's $120 or something like that for that bolt. Does not drop right in for the KS47. You can see the lug. If you've ever noticed your stuff, I did round off this lug and this lug, which is the same two lugs that, as this thing rides over the magazine, it will catch on an AK mag. So you clearance that, that solves that issue. That's part of the troubleshooting they did, having going from the Generation 1 to Generation 2, and that's fixed. But if you want to eliminate that weak link, that possible extractor failure, get you one of these. It's worth it. I've got 2 other KS47 you see me film with. I'm going to buy 2 more of these, because so far that thing just ate some abuse. And like I said, you can look on Instagram. I can show the side picture on there and let you see what it looks like side by side. Almost makes me think you could buy the extractors only if they would offer it, and it would be a hell of an upgrade without spending a full 120. I doubt they would. I can probably go ahead and message them and see what they say. But yeah, y'all saw me on film running this thing. I didn't even run it as hard as I did that time, and I just ran the crap out of this thing, and it's doing fantastic, except for my self-inflicted injuries there with that stupid tag. I bought a 3 buffer tag set, and right there it will tell you H1, H2, H3. I got that for tuning. I pulled the H1 out of here for today, just put the H2 in there and try it, and it did pretty dang amazing, except for leaving that stupid sticker on. I even told myself I was going to pull the sticker off, and I lied. Lied to myself, lied to my fans. But that's it. She's working fantastic. I wanted to follow up and put some abuse to it and see if it would break or if it'd keep running. And yeah, aside from my sticker issue there, it's doing pretty dang good. I'm proud of it. I mean, what can I say? I'm going to run it some more later on. I just wanted to do this at the end of the day after I got done shooting some accuracy and give y'all something to follow up with for those that are curious about the Young Manufacturing bolt and see how it would do in comparison to the little thin frail piece that usually comes in these. That's really not designed for this rate of fire with this trigger system. That's, you know, it's a pretty severe duty. This thing's improved all around. So, all right. Like I said, check me out on Instagram there, Texas 2A video, same thing. You know, if you guys like, check it out. Give me some comments, feedback, whatever else you'd like to check out, especially if it involves this in particular. So, all right. Tune in next time. Thanks for watching, boys and girls.